Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make your own garden markers. This DIY is super easy and it can be super fast too. But before we begin, please subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any more videos coming up. Alright, so let's begin. As you can see, this is just regular piece of paper, not anything special. And this is so easy, you guys. All I did was type it up and then print them. I have the PDF in my blog. You can check that out in the description box below, but I just use Adobe Photoshop and I use the font Autumn in November. I got this font from my sister-in-law. She used it when she was getting married and I was like, dang, that looks cool, let me get that. So now I have it and I have been using it for everything. It just looks really nice and elegant. So what I did was just type it out: basil, lettuce, whatever I have in my garden. And this is why I'm saying, if you have different plants, this is how you can easily do it. I just copy and pasted this so I didn't have to retype everything and space everything again. And that's all I did. Just change the letters, or I mean the words, and then just copy and paste it. Super easy. Now, if you have two words, like I'm about to show you, the green onions, you can do it separately and then make the top part a little bit smaller so it can fit in your paper. And then you print them out. Sometimes it'll say it'll crop the outer layer, but nobody cares because it doesn't do anything. See? Perfect. Now you need a paper slicer, whatever you call that, a laminating pouch, and of course a laminator. Oh, this is how the pouch looks like. And this is the laminator. I have had this for like years, you guys. And of course, craft sticks, or like I call them, popsicle sticks. Before I begin cutting everything out, I turned it on so that by the time I need to laminate them, it will be ready. All you have to do is round out the corners because it can be pretty sharp, but if you don't care, then just leave them. So now it's time to put them on the craft sticks. I just turn it backwards and put the craft stick on top and get a little bit of tape and then just plop it on there. And then that's it, you guys. That is how you make your own garden markers for cheapo. See, isn't that cute? And it actually took quite a few minutes there to finish everything, but you know, it's cheap, and if you already have the items, then it's free. My newest seedlings are the green onions, and I'm putting it in those, and this is how it looks like. The reason why I have a lot of oniony and chivies and all that stuff is to keep the pests away from my lettuce and my strawberries. Those bugs are pissing me off, but this is how it looks like. Isn't that cute? And my basil, and over here I have a bunch of corn that we planted, and I can't wait to see how this looks like. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!